Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by getting the exact Google Maps link for the location you want to share. Open Google Maps, search the place or drop a pin, then tap Share and choose Copy Link. Once done, paste that link into a Notes app so you can edit it if needed. Make sure the link shows the right marker and looks like maps. Google. Com with place ID or coordinates. This prevents the QR directing to the wrong spot when scanned. Next, you pick a reliable QR generator and paste the Google Maps URL into its URL field. Set image size to at least 800px for print use and choose a high error correction level so the code survives minor damage. Optionally customize colors, but keep strong contrast for scanners. Generate and download PNG or SVG depending on whether you need vector quality. Then scan the downloaded file with your phone to verify it opens the exact map location. To finish, place the QR code into your flyer, sign, or website with a sufficient quiet zone, about 4 modules wide, so scanners detect it easily. If printing, test a physical print at the actual size and scan from the expected viewing distance. Make sure it still resolves to the map. If scanning fails, first confirm the copied URL works in a browser, then regenerate the QR using higher contrast, larger size, or stronger error correction. Those fixes resolve most printing and scanning issues.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.